Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horingar@10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Bajaj Finance. BAJFINANCE, that is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart of Bajaj Finance, and here each candle represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the price path pattern of the stock, it is very clear that the stock has been moving in the upward direction, and nowhere it broke into a sideways movement, or it went into a directionless. It made a directionless or random movement or something like that. Every time the stock is making a new high, and immediately after that it is going undergoing a consolidation, again new high, consolidation, new high, consolidation, or something like that. So it has been continuing. It has been continuously making this kind of new highs. For quite a period of time. For example, if you see since 2009, as per the data we are having, since 2009 onwards, up to 2017 November 29th, this stock had been continuously moving, and continuously moving upward, and continuously, and on its way it has been continuously making new highs. And after every new height is undergoing a consolidation, but the consolidation phase is also very less. I mean, the time span is very less, and again I mean, again it started. It started moving in the upward direction. Continuing its previous trend, historical path pattern. That is very good. Actually, just by looking at the path pattern of the stock itself, without looking at the indicators, we can clearly tell that this is the right stock for any investor who is looking for long term investment. Okay then. But there are a few things to consider here. Having said all these things, but I see these two red candles here. So this red candle here, this is November month, and this is October month. Actually, why these two red candles are formed? So there is a point here. Actually, on the weekly chart here, at the same time, we are seeing the stock has undergone has come under the influence of negative super trend mode. So this is the reason why we are seeing these two red candles here. Okay, so once that the stock comes out of that negative trend influence in the weekly chart, then the stock will then again the stock will resume its upward movement. Okay, so that is what I am trying to say here. Okay, by showing the weekly chart. Now this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. I am talking about a monthly chart right now. Okay, weekly chart is under the influence of a negative super trend, whereas monthly chart is under the influence of positive super trend. Okay, please remember that. And stochastics, actually right now, because it is in the consolidation phase, all the indicators are throwing negative signals here. Stochastics, both lines are playing on top of the 80 line. That's very good, but the slow line is on top of the fast line, indicating a negative trend. And relative strength of the stock is at the peak level, but right now it is coming down slowly, and directional strength is converging, and momentum is was at its peak level, and now it is coming down. Both balance of power and elder both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is in positive. This thing bullish phase, and Kopeck curve is making a parallel into the baseline, and it is clearly telling us that the stock is in buy zone. Okay, now after looking at the guiding points of the indicators, and knowing the popularity and market demand of this Bajaj Finance, one can clearly tell that, one can clearly consider come to a conclusion that this is a stock that every investor wants. See, right now I think, as per me, this is the right moment to buy this stock. This is to acquire this stock. Why? Because actually this is right now the stock is going down, and people who are interested in this stock, they can get it at a very low price right now. Once it starts, once it start moving in the upward direction, then you have to pay a premium for the same stock. Okay, so as for me, considering all these points, this stock can be considered for a long-term investment. Okay, guys, that is the conclusion. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.